Hey, Norfolk Droppers, I wanted to drop a little reminder here about concentrated products, the cleaning products, just as a reminder. And I'm going to start out with a confession. So, um, this is what is on my kitchen sink for cleaning dishes. And this is actually what I normally use. And if you look closely, it's not Young Living, it is Shaklee, which my family grew up on. Shaklee cleaning products, plant-based, natural, non-toxic cleaner since I was a teenager. So I've always been this crazy person, which is probably why I'm so passionate about it. And this is the Young Living Thieves dish soap. I really love it, but I will tell you why this is on my sink counter in the kitchen. So the little holes on the top, I'm trying to get it so you can actually see. This hole, you see how it's bigger than this hole? Well, I have two teenagers, girls in my house, and when they actually clean something, yay, in the sink, they go, and it comes out really fast here if you're not careful, because people aren't used to concentrated products, and teenagers certainly aren't. And so, and I see one of my people are watching. So this got a little hole. This bottle will last me almost a year because it keeps everybody regulated with how much comes out. I mean, really, you need like 2 or 3 drops. You only need 2 or 3 drops of this also. And I love the fact that it has thieves in it and it smells wonderful. But I about had a conniption fit flying across the kitchen when I had it out to show somebody, and then it got, and like a teaspoon of this stuff comes out. And concentrated products are not cheap. And the reason is because they don't want to spend a lot of money shipping water. If you look at most products in the cleaning aisle, no matter what it cleans, and there's like 3 million different products to clean 3 million different things, it's mostly water, and then it has whatever stuff in it, normally chemicals, that doesn't clean, wipes chemicals around your house. So companies that sell healthy stuff, like Young Living and Shaklee, they don't dilute their product with as much water, so it's more concentrated, but you have to change your habits, what you're used to doing because of that. It costs more when you pay up front, but by the time you get done using it, I mean, this bottle lasts me almost a year. This would last me almost as long, except for the fact that, so anyway, that's the story about concentration. While I'm talking about that, Thieves Household Cleaner, concentrate. If you have somebody, $22 for a bottle of household cleaner? You don't stick a sprayer in this bottle. This is concentrate. Once again, here's your spray bottle. Mine's almost gone. 2 caps of this goes in here. You fill it with water. It's $1 a bottle. So it's healthier, cheaper, more good for the planet and your family and everybody else. So when you're talking about Young Living or sharing with your family, or if you have an account that you want, people tag things on your order, always tell them, don't put in twice as much because you think it'll work better. You don't need to do that. I know you think that sometimes, don't you? All right. Same goes for this. If you haven't seen my Thieves laundry soap hack, is you pour out half of it, you put in 2 caps of household cleaner, and you very slowly fill the rest with water to the top. And this goes twice as far. I believe it's around $28 wholesale. Now you turned it into $14, well, $15 if you're counting the 2 caps of this. And you still use half of this top container because it doesn't have a whole pile of water in there that they're paying to ship to, or have to send twice the size container. Does that make sense? So it's a change in habit. If you're used to other poison stuff with lots of water in it and lots of poison in it, you need to change that. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. So here's my confession. That's why if you're ever at my house in my kitchen, you're going to see this there until otherwise. But I love thieves. dish soap. All right. Bye, guys. Where is the off button on here?